Many renowned companies and institutions across a wide range of industry verticals rely on IHSE KVM solutions, including air traffic management or airports, government or defense, transportation, broadcast or post-production, medical or healthcare, maritime or offshore, venue or entertainment, utilities, banking or finance. The IHSE Advanced KVM Matrix Switch and Extender System is a powerful solution for command and control centers in mission-critical environments, providing centralized management, seamless coordination, real-time access and control, data communication, and access security. The IHSE Matrix Switch connects to a wide range of different sources, including servers, operator workstations, computers, surveillance cameras, set-top boxes, DVD players, video conferencing systems, video walls, operation at 4K at 60 Hz resolution and higher. In command and control centers, an IHSE KVM solution allows computers and servers to be located away from work desks and into a central server room. This enhances the security of the computer systems, provides ease of maintenance, better power management, as well as reducing environmental heat and noise, and a more comfortable, quiet, and ergonomic work environment for operators. IHSE KVM solutions are endorsed by many satisfied users. Each operator can access multiple PC sources, allowing a small number of operators to connect to and operate a large number of computer sources. IHSE KVM technology allows a computer to be displayed on multiple screens simultaneously with real-time data sharing. Signals can be directed to specific displays instantly, which improves operators' reaction times, as well as providing seamless coordination between operators and supervisors. With the integration of a central video wall, data can be shown to all operators at once. Operators require real-time access to information and data with no signal latency or degradation. The IHSE high-performance KVM system transmits high-definition video and data in real time, allowing operators to switch between sources instantly with no signal loss and no perceivable latency. IHSE KVM technology transports all types of analog and digital audio and video, enhancing communication between operators. Using an IHSE KVM matrix system, control centers in different buildings and at different levels can be interconnected. Operators can access centralized data in real time with total security. IHSE KVM technology enables the location of critical servers in a remote and centralized equipment room where they can be managed and maintained by the system administrator to the highest level of data protection and security. Individual login access for different users and different departments can be configured easily via a User Access Control List or LDAP for managed access of different servers, content, and data. Each user can be provided with a unique access configuration, enhancing system management, data protection, and security. The IHSE Draco fully redundant KVM system architecture provides fail-safe auto-switching of backup connections to meet every degree of reliability and redundancy requirement. All connection components are hot swappable, and maintenance can be performed without the need to interrupt the system operations, ensuring continuous and uninterrupted 24/7 uptime. IHSE Advanced KVM solutions help you create centralized management, seamless connection, real-time access and control, data communication, and access security for every mission-critical installation. IHSE is a leading developer of advanced KVM solutions with more than 35 years of experience. 100% designed and manufactured in Germany, deliver the ultimate flexibility to streamline the user workflow. IHSE, True KVM.